Hello guys, welcome back to Pianowithnick. I'm doing this song by Nathaniel Bassey, Eshe, which also means thank you, okay? So let's dive into this particular song, okay? So on the first chord we have this. Okay? So we are in the key of F. In the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 1. I'm going to also break this particular song in the key of C, so stay tuned, okay? So this is the first chord we are doing. Okay, I'm doing the D, A, D on the left, right, and I have the F, A, and D. Okay, then so I'm doing over chords here. I have the A, E, A on the left, right, and I have the C, E, G, and C. Okay, then I'm doing this. Okay, left hand I have the G, D, F. Right hand I have the G, B flat, D, and G. Then I'm doing this. Left hand I'm doing over chords again. I'm doing the C and G on the left. Right hand I have the B flat, C, D, and F. Then the one chord. Okay, F, C, F. Right hand is doing the G, A, C, and F. Okay, so let's go. Eshe o e ma she. Eshe o e ma she. Okay, in the key of C, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm doing this. Okay, okay, basically this. Left hand I have the A, E, A. Right hand I have the C, E, A. Then left hand I have the E, B, and E. Right hand I have the G, B, D, and J. Then I have this. I have the D, A, C, and D. Right hand I have the F, A, and D. Then I have the G and D. Right hand I have the F, G, A, and C. Then I have the C, G, C. Right hand is doing the D, E, G, and C. Okay, so let me sing. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you in another video. Bye.